I take that pussy on a platter. She my gourmet dish. I be it. Look, swagger I was born with. Who you think she talking about when you in the club? Got swagger like me. You know? Fresher than a newborn. Like
About that time, volume 2.
How my hair look, Mike?
you look good, girl. She talking about when you in the club. Got swagger like me, fresher than a newborn. Folks like a futon, better have your tools on. Not a very nice guy, don't get it twisted cause the motherfucker stay fly. Eat, bang out, nigga, hit you with a 2-piece. Now you wanna gun him down, but you go with 6 feet. Nigga, I don't fuck around, pussy niggas do bleed. Time of the month, nigga, play around, you'll see.
It happens for a reason, you know. It's always a build-up, you know what I'm saying? And if you have a slow burn, then you're gonna continue to go. But if you kind of pop, then you're gonna just go away as fast as you blew up.
This is for the beam. Everybody throw your threes for that white and green. We holding mass down. Make way cause we about to take our spot now. This is for the beam. Everybody throw your threes for that white